Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screen won't turn on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, restart your mobile. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now here again click on this restart icon to restart your mobile, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings, scroll down, and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset all settings, and then here again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So after doing this, your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and click on general management. Now here scroll down and click on reset, and then scroll down and click on factory data reset. Now here scroll down to the end and click on this reset option here, and when you will tap on reset option here, it will reset your mobile and delete everything from your mobile. So that's how you can fix the screen won't turn on issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.